Hey there, nutrition enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of supplements for digestion and how they can support your gut health naturally. We'll be exploring the fascinating science behind probiotics, prebiotics, digestive enzymes, L-glutamine, curcumin, ginger, and fiber. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how these supplements work and how they can help you optimize your digestive function and alleviate symptoms. So, grab a notepad and let's get started on this journey to better gut health. Maintaining a healthy digestive system is essential for overall well-being. It plays a crucial role in nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. However, many people experience digestive issues like bloating, gas, constipation, and diarrhea. While a balanced diet and lifestyle changes form the foundation of good gut health, supplements for digestion can provide additional support to optimize digestive function and alleviate symptoms. Did you know that your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms? This delicate ecosystem is known as the gut microbiome, and an imbalance in it can contribute to various digestive disorders and impact your overall health. The good news is that research has identified several key supplements that can help restore balance, reduce inflammation, and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Let's start with probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, confer health benefits to the host. That's according to Hill and colleagues in their 2014 paper published in Nature Reviews Gastroenterology and Hepatology. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy balance of gut microbiota, which is essential for optimal digestive function, nutrient absorption, and immune health. The most common strains of probiotics found in supplements belong to the Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium genera, as reported by Pandey and colleagues in their 2015 article in the Journal of Food Science and Technology. Numerous studies have demonstrated the potential of probiotics in alleviating various digestive issues. For example, a systematic review and meta-analysis by Ford and colleagues, published in the BMJ in 2014, found that probiotics were effective in reducing the severity and duration of infectious diarrhea. Furthermore, probiotics have shown promise in managing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, such as abdominal pain, bloating, and constipation. This was highlighted in a 2015 review by Didari and colleagues in the World Journal of Gastroenterology. So, how do probiotics work their magic? They promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, thereby creating a more balanced microbiome. They also help to maintain the integrity of the intestinal lining, preventing the translocation of harmful bacteria and toxins into the bloodstream. This was discussed in a 2012 review by Bermudez Brito and colleagues in the journal Frontiers in Immunology. Additionally, probiotics can modulate the immune system, reducing inflammation in the gut and throughout the body, as reported by Plaza Diaz and colleagues in a 2019 article in the journal Nutrients. Now let's move on to prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible food components that selectively stimulate the growth and activity of beneficial gut bacteria. These fermentable fibers serve as a food source for probiotics, enabling them to thrive and exert their health-promoting effects. Common prebiotic ingredients found in supplements include inulin, fructooligosaccharides, or FOS, and galactooligosaccharides, or GOS. This was discussed in a 2018 review by Carlson and colleagues in the journal Current Developments in Nutrition. Synbiotics refer to the combination of probiotics and prebiotics in a single supplement. This synergistic approach aims to enhance the survival and colonization of beneficial bacteria in the gut by providing them with their preferred food source. Synbiotic supplements have shown potential in improving digestive comfort, reducing inflammation, and promoting a healthier gut microbiome. This was highlighted in a 2018 study by Krumbeck and colleagues, published in the journal Microbiome, and a 2020 review by Swanson and colleagues in the journal Nutrients. Moving on to digestive enzymes, these are specialized proteins that break down food components into smaller absorbable nutrients. The main types of digestive enzymes include amylases for carbohydrates, lipases for fats, and proteases for proteins. Insufficient production or activity of these enzymes can lead to digestive discomfort, malabsorption, and nutrient deficiencies. This was discussed in a 2016 review by Ianero and colleagues in the journal Clinical Gastroenterology and Hepatology. Supplementing with digestive enzymes can help alleviate symptoms of enzyme insufficiency, such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. A randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial by Majid and colleagues, published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2018, found that a multi-enzyme complex containing amylases, lipases, and proteases significantly improved digestive symptoms and quality of life in individuals with functional dyspepsia. Digestive enzyme supplements can also be beneficial for those with specific food intolerances, such as lactose intolerance. Lactase supplements, which contain the enzyme responsible for breaking down lactose, can help reduce symptoms of lactose intolerance when consuming dairy products. This was reported in a 2014 review by Iba and colleagues in the journal Nutrients. Next up, let's talk about L-glutamine. L-glutamine is an amino acid that plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity of the intestinal lining. It serves as a primary fuel source for enterocytes, the cells that line the gut, and helps to repair and regenerate the intestinal mucosa. This was discussed in a 2017 review by Kim and Kim in the journal Intestinal Research. Factors such as stress, poor diet, and certain medications can damage the gut lining, leading to increased permeability or leaky gut. Several studies have investigated the potential benefits of L-glutamine supplementation for gut health. A randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial by Zhou and colleagues, published in the journal Gut in 2019, found that oral L-glutamine supplementation significantly improved intestinal permeability and reduced symptoms of post-infectious IBS, such as diarrhea and abdominal pain. L-glutamine supplementation has also shown promise in managing symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease, or IBD. A meta-analysis by Zhu and colleagues, published in the journal Nutrients in 2021, concluded that L-glutamine supplementation could improve intestinal permeability and reduce disease activity in patients with Crohn's disease. Now let's dive into curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation in the gut is a hallmark of various digestive disorders, such as IBD and IBS. This was highlighted in a 2014 review by Ghosh and colleagues in the journal Nutrients. By targeting inflammatory pathways, curcumin may help to reduce gut inflammation and promote the healing of the intestinal mucosa. Several studies have explored the potential benefits of curcumin supplementation for gut health. A randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial by Lang and colleagues, published in the journal Clinical Gastroenterology and Hepatology in 2015, found that curcumin supplementation significantly reduced symptoms and improved quality of life in patients with ulcerative colitis. However, it's important to note that curcumin has poor bioavailability when consumed orally, which can limit its therapeutic potential. This was discussed in a 2017 review by Hewlings and Kalman in the journal Foods. To enhance absorption, curcumin supplements often include additional compounds, such as piperine found in black pepper, or lipids in liposomal formulations. It's essential to choose a high-quality curcumin supplement and consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage and formulation. Moving on to ginger, this spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to alleviate various digestive issues, such as nausea, vomiting, and indigestion. The rhizome of the ginger plant contains bioactive compounds, including gingerols and shogaols, which are responsible for its anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and carminative effects. This was discussed in a 2019 review by Mao and colleagues in the journal Food Science and Human Wellness. Several studies have investigated the potential benefits of ginger for gut health. A systematic review and meta-analysis by Nikhar Bodag and colleagues, published in the journal Phytotherapy Research in 2019, found that ginger supplementation significantly reduced symptoms of functional dyspepsia, such as early satiety, epigastric pain, and nausea. Furthermore, a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial by Hu and colleagues, published in the journal Supportive Care in Cancer in 2011, demonstrated that ginger capsules were effective in reducing the severity and frequency of chemotherapy-induced nausea and vomiting. Ginger supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and liquid extracts. The recommended dosage varies depending on the specific product and the condition being treated. As with any supplement, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting ginger supplementation to ensure safety and appropriateness. Lastly, let's talk about fiber supplements and their role in promoting regularity. Dietary fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This was discussed in a 2017 review by McCrory and McCune in the journal Nutrition Reviews. However, many people struggle to meet the recommended daily fiber intake through diet alone, which is where fiber supplements can be beneficial. Fiber supplements come in various forms, including psyllium husk, methylcellulose, and wheat dextrin. Psyllium, derived from the seeds of the Plantago ovita plant, is a soluble fiber that absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the gut, helping to soften stool and promote regularity. This was highlighted in a 2017 review by Lambo and McCrory in the journal Nutrition Today. A systematic review and meta-analysis by Christodoulides and colleagues, published in the journal Alimentary Pharmacology and Therapeutics in 2016, found that psyllium supplementation significantly improved stool frequency and consistency in patients with chronic idiopathic constipation. Additionally, fiber supplements may help to alleviate symptoms of IBS, such as abdominal pain and bloating. This was reported in a 2014 review by Moayedi and colleagues in the journal Gut. When incorporating fiber supplements into the diet, it's essential to start with a low dose and gradually increase over time to minimize digestive discomfort. Adequate hydration is also crucial, as fiber supplements require water to function effectively and prevent constipation. In conclusion, supplements for digestion can play a valuable role in supporting gut health and alleviating digestive symptoms. While a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle form the foundation of digestive well-being, targeted supplements can provide additional support to optimize gut function. Probiotics and prebiotics work synergistically to promote a balanced gut microbiome, while digestive enzymes enhance nutrient breakdown and absorption. L-glutamine supports the integrity of the gut lining, and curcumin and ginger offer anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Fiber supplements, such as psyllium husk, can promote regularity and alleviate constipation. However, it's crucial to remember that supplements should not replace a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle habits. They are intended to complement, not substitute, a gut-friendly diet rich in whole foods, fermented products, and prebiotic fibers. Before starting any supplement regimen, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure safety and appropriateness based on individual needs and health conditions. By incorporating targeted supplements alongside a nourishing diet and stress management techniques, you can support your digestive health and overall well-being. If you found this video informative and helpful, be sure to visit nutritionmarket.com.au for more information and resources. At Nutrition Market, you can find all the best supplements to support your digestive health. We also have a virtual clinic with clinical nutritionists and naturopaths serving clients in Australia and around the world. Book a consultation today to get personalized advice tailored to your unique needs. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on optimizing your health through nutrition and lifestyle. And remember, while this video is informed by research, it should not replace advice from your healthcare provider. Some scientific findings may still be under investigation, so always consult with a qualified professional for personalized guidance. Thanks for watching, and here's to your optimal digestive health.